beautets, welcome back to my channel. So today we have something fun. I was actually looking at I found this picture that I really loved and I wanted to recreate it, and what better to recreate Alexa Demi looks. Her makeup looks have been so iconic and they are definitely trending and they're beautiful, and she's a bad bitch, so we have to do a look. I wanted to just come on because I felt like I haven't really spoken to you guys since my last, I would say maybe other video or two that I actually came on and, you know, actually spoke to you guys, beautets. So I hope everyone's doing okay during this crazy pandemic. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. You know, you beautets know how I like to do. I like to just go straight into the look. Now today I literally just only have on like skin. I just basically did a skincare. I don't have no makeup, no brows, no foundation, no nothing. So we're gonna go and just really go on with the whole look. I felt like sometimes I've been doing maybe one eye or just straight into certain looks. I don't get to do the whole video, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna do the whole transformation. So this is why I don't have any makeup on or product, so we can continue to go on with this Alexa Demi. It's a green, it's a beautiful green eyeshadow look, and I fell in love with it, and we're just gonna recreate. So without further ado, please stay, get your snacks, get your wine, get your drinks, get everything you need, and yeah, like, subscribe. Hi my beautets. So you know we're going to jump right in. I usually don't do voiceovers, but you beauties know I had to come on and just explain this look a little. I know I don't really get to thoroughly go through the whole thing of my videos because I quite frankly like to get straight to the point, and if I can help any beauties out there for whatever beauty techniques, then you know I would be gladly to. So I just love to get like right into the point of the video. And yeah, so right here I am doing my brows. I love this brow mascara. This brow mascara is actually from Thrive Cosmetics, and I absolutely love it. It gives like the perfect natural hair, like it just gives like a perfect brow color, and I absolutely love it. So after I brush them up and clean them up, I use the concealer to actually clean up. And if you've been watching me, you know that I love the Pro Conceal from LA. I think it's LA Girls Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, I love the LA Pro Conceal, and that's what I use for my bases. That's what I use for my eyebrows. And that's what I use for my concealer in the T-zone, everything basically. So I'm just gonna do the same thing as I did in the other eyebrow. I'm going to do it now on my right eyebrow, which is cleaning them, tinting them, and then like I said, I would be going over with it with the concealer just to clean it all up. For the sake of this video, I know it'd probably be a little bit longer than usual, but only because I haven't did a full makeup look from eyebrow, you know, to the whole face, and that quite takes, you know, up time and makes videos a little bit longer. So I tried, I'm sorry beauties, I tried to make the video as short as I can, but with what I'm doing and trying to teach and my creative elements. So if you beauties want to continue to stay watching on how I completed the rest of this look, please stay watching and let me know if you have any suggestions as far as any other looks or tips and tricks that you guys would love to see or would want to know. You can comment down below or send me any DMs through my social media platforms. And yes, I cannot wait to see you beauties on my next tutorial. Thank you for all your support. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Love ya.
Maybe it was the hat, the cookies that he baked and bought.
Bye.